init ngayon. Magkano yung ano ngayon? I don't have idea, but I'm just gonna look first. And I will flash in the screen when I edit. So, yeah. Matapos ko lang guys maligo dahil sa sobrang init ng panahon dito sa ating bansa. But, yeah. The neck, also, naghugas din ako ng pinggan para hindi na siya kumalat-kalat guys. Nagwalis ng konti para mabawasan yung dumi. Anyways, I will fix my hair now. Snack time muna tayo. It's 3:15 today and I have here coffee and also bread. So I put margarine with the chocolate filling, not chocolate, but it's like you can spread it inside, which what I did. And yeah, so let's eat our snacks. Yeah, let's try this. It's 4:13 guys, and magluluto ako ng itlog kasi nagugutom ako. So, yeah. Let's cook. I have here 3 pieces of tomatoes. I have 4 pieces of egg, and lutuin ko to siya guys lahat. So, yeah. Look at that. So, kailangan natin ng knife. And then, patihin ko lang yung itlog, guys. Okay, so we're ready. So, we're gonna go outside and let's cook it. Okay. Okay, so let's make a fire. And the reason why I put this liay a paper is just for me to fire easily. have to get my own kahoy kasi nga yung kahoy na dito sa likod ko is that's for my mom. So, she's gonna be using that when she's here. Okay, so ayun guys, malapit na siya maluto. It's April 27, 2024, and finally, I made it. I tried it how many times already? I think 4 times already of trying, going to the video, and finally guys, I already registered yesterday, which makes me happy today because I was not expecting that I can finish it yesterday. And I also changed my check. As you remembered, before I left here, I mentioned that I have my last payment from my workplace before, and I finally got my money yesterday from BDO also, because that's checked that I have to get from BDO. So yeah, at the same time guys, yung ginawa ko kahapon, nag-process ako ng mga kailangan ko na, or yung mga requirements ko, and I'm happy because nadala ko yung ID ko na dalawa. So yun yung requirements kung kukuha kayo ng BDO card, kung gusto ninyong yung BDO card. So depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong kunin na card. So my purpose on getting this card is just for my YouTube salary, which I mentioned in my previous vlog already. And you already know guys also that I've been trying to find a way just to process it not a long time ago, but for the past few months. And the reason was I cannot process it before was my job. I was busy and I have to go back in my job. That's my first time try, I think. No, not I think, but that's my first time try to get my BDO card. But that time, I processed it with myself. So, ako yung nagpindot doon sa computer. Ako yung nag-fill up ng mga details doon. By the guide of one of the workers there's also. But the thing guys, it takes time for me because I cannot get in there, hindi ko siya ma-process ng madali kasi nga hindi naman siya sa problema, but I cannot find the good what's this called? The good name for it or something like that. But there's a problem talaga na hindi siya makapasok that time sa isa sa mga na-fill out ko. But and then the next time, nag-try ulit ako next time, pumunta ako doon, nag-spend ako doon na from my workplace going to the BDO nag-spend ako ng pamasahe ko, and then it's still hindi pa rin ako nakakuha guys because of my time. So sobrang konti lang yung time ko that time. And then I asked also if the code, kasi nga nung first day ko, or nung first day ko doon, nung ako yung nag-process, is one step na lang yung natira, which is I have to pay 2,000 in the teller, or in them. So, hindi siya natuloy. It's because kailangan ko na talaga bumalik ng work, and it's, kumbaga, is late na din ako, and I cannot be late kasi nga, I'm a cashier that time, and dalawa lang kami. So, hindi ako pwede na malate. So, what happened? Excuse me. So, what happened, guys, is after a week, no, it's been month already. So, after a month, I think, or it's around a month, like mga 2 weeks after, bumalik ako doon, and then I asked kung pwede pa yung send sa akin na message from the BDO, kung pwede ko pa siya magamit. Para, syempre, mas madali lang siya ma-process, but that time, sabi nila sa akin, hindi na pwede kasi expired na daw. And then, I asked them kung pwede ako makakuha ulit, pero fast lang, kumbaga is, madaliin lang. But, hindi siya pwede, guys. Just be aware if you are going to, BDO, it's gonna take time. So, you have to spend, 1 day, or kung hindi ka din pala rin, more days. So, yeah. But this is just only my experience on getting my own. So, yeah. And then the third time, I think bumalik pa din ako. Nag-try pa din ako, and then still wala pa din. Kasi wala akong time, guys. Kailangan kong bumalik. Hindi pwede na, kapag nag-work ka is, hindi pwede na sabihin mo na, oy, absent ako, ganun. Ganito. Hindi pwede. Kasi sila yung may hawak ng time mo eh. So, doon sa part na yun, wala ka talagang choice. That's why medyo napatagal yung pagkuha ko ng aking card. So, eto na nga, guys. Kahapon, gusto ko lang siya ikwento sa inyo. Kahapon, pumunta ako doon ng mga alauna. So, kung nanood ka ng aking vlog, minute ko pa sina mama and yung kapatid ko. Then, naglakad-lakad pa kami, kumain pa kami somewhere in the town. And, naisipan ko, kasi para isahan na lang napunta doon. Isang, na lang, 'di ba? Hindi na ako magwi-waste ng pera for the transportation the next time na bumalik ako doon. So, ayun na, guys, pumunta ako ng 1 PM. And, na-timingan naman na walang masyadong tao doon. I think, mga nasa 2 lang kami na mag-open bank account, ganun. So, ayun, pangalawa ako kasi nag-ask ako kung paano kumuha ng number. Syempre, bukiris tayo dyan, hindi tayo marunong. Kaya nga, 'di ba, nagpa-assist ako para kumuha ng number. So, nagkataon na imbis ako yung nauna yung isa. Kasi nga nagpa-assist pa ako. And then, after naman siya na ma-cater, ako na yung next. Kinakabahan ako, guys, kasi alam niyo ba, only the thing before I left here in the house, munti ko pang makalimutan yung isa kong ID, which is the passport. I have only in my wallet yung UMID ID ko. So, ayun, sabi ko kay kuya, kasi naghihintay siya doon sa labas, and sabi ko, wait lang, may kukunin lang ako, kukunin ko lang yung ID ko, which is, I don't expect na magamit ko pala siya pagdating ko doon. So, ayun na nga, guys. Ang pagdating ko doon, hinanapan agad ako ng 2 ID. So, yun yung tinignan, 2 ID, which is, yung binigay ko is yung UMID and yung passport ID ko. And then, sabi niya, binigyan niya ako ng kailangang fill upan. So, ayun, tinanggap ko naman yung papel, and then finil upan ko siya, guys. And, mabilis lang naman. But the thing was, syempre, no job. Magtatanong talaga sila kung ano yung current job mo ngayon. So, if you are following me, nag-resign ako 2.5 months already. So, ayun, wala akong mailalagay. And the thing, guys, when you are getting your card, tatanungin ka nila kung ano yung current na job mo. So, sabi ko, wala akong job. And ano ba yung pwede kong i-fill out dito. So, ayun, nilagay lang is content creator, and then yung salary na tinatanggap mo every month. So, yung nilagay ko lang doon is 5 to 10K. And then, like, parang tinape yun ng babae na nag-cater sa akin. Tapos, pinalitan niya ng 10K, 10,000, naka-figure. And, which is okay. Kasi, yun lang 5 to 10K. And then after nun, kinakabahan pa ako kasi baka hindi na naman ako matapos. Pero think positive. Ayun, nagtithink positive pa din ako na sana matapos ko. Sana ma-accept ito. And the thing guys is nagtanong siya ng TIN number ko. So just be aware doon sa mga small YouTubers also na kukuha din ng card. Kasi nga, hahanapan ka nila ng TIN ID. So ano nga ba yung TIN ID? Yung TIN ID guys is makukuha mo siya sa BIR. Okay? So just comment down below kung gusto mong malaman kung ano about yung mga BIR things kasi pwede ako makagawa niya ng video separate from this video. Okay, so let's go back. So yun, kinabahan na ako guys kasi honestly, nakuha ko yung BIR, yung card ko or yung TIN number ko. It's been 6 months already. So medyo matagal na guys. Akala ko, hindi naman sa akala ko, pero big deal din siya guys, na kailangan mong, pag makakuha ka na ng PIN ID from BIR, kasi it takes time. Lahat naman it takes time. So, kailangan mo lang maghintay. So, naghintay ako guys, medyo matagal siya, pero it's okay. Para sa akin, kahit na naghintay ako ng matagal, at least, nakakuha na ako. Hindi naman sa ano, pero ini-enjoy ko lang yung process. Kasi, kung pag-uusapan natin yung process doon sa monetization, doon sa pagkuha ng card, especially kung wala ka. So, etong video na to is para lang doon sa mga walang card, katulad ko, or katulad ko na small YouTubers na wala pang card para maka-connect, mai-connect nila sa Google AdSense nila para makuha nila yung kanilang sahod. So, before guys, naset ko yung Google AdSense ko through check, and yeah, pumunta ako doon sa Western Union kasi curious ako, wala akong alam, 'di ba? So, sinend na sa akin ni Google AdSense yung ano na, yung na-reach ko na daw yung payment threshold, something like that. Pero yung nangyari, ipinakita ko siya guys sa Western Union. And hinanapan na ako ng bank. Meron ka ba doong bank? Ganon. And then na-confuse na naman ako guys. Like, napaisip na naman ako, anong bank yung hinahanap? Tapos, nag-search ako ng konti, pero medyo na ano ako, nawalan ako ng ano ng gana noon that time. Pero sige lang, hindi pa rin ako nag-stop ng nagpo-post pa din, you know, ginagawa ko pa rin kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. So, ayun nga, nag-post pa din ako ng post. Tapos wala, gusto ko na siyang gawin. So, I'm so sorry sa background na barking ng aso guys. So, let's continue. So, your requirements, you need to have 2 valid IDs. Meron sila na ipapa-fill up sa'yo. And then, maghihintay ka kasi ipaprocess pa nila muna. I think it's all it takes. Like, with my experience, I wait for 1 hour, I think. And that's included na yung paghahanap ko nung TIN number ko. Kasi, I'm lucky because I have a screenshot. I have a pictures from my Facebook. So, ayun, yun yung hinanap ko. Tapos, ayun, finally nakita ko yung TIN ID ko. And then, doon na nag-start na prinasas na nila through online. So, ayun lamang guys. And, matatanggap mo siya within 2 weeks. So, babalik ako this coming May 10 para makuha yung card. And, yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. And please don't forget to give me like and subscribe to